This is a display panel to decorate your desk. You can use it to display a clock or display some effects like a rainbow, motion effect like falling heart, or simply display some icons. To change, you just need a phone connected to the same Wi-Fi as ESP32. Let's get started. First is hardware preparation. I will use ESP32 as the main microcontroller. 3 new 8x8 WS2812 panels. Some other components for the support frame and connecting wires. First, we need to connect the WS2812 panels together. You just need to connect the output of the first board and the input of the second board. Let's do it one by one. Turn on the soldering iron and set the temperature to 350 degrees. Time to solder. So, we will have a total of 192 pixels with a size of 24:8. WS2812 is a very popular intelligent RGB LED. Each LED can display 16 million colors thanks to its built-in controller. The special feature is that you only need one data pin to control hundreds or even thousands of LEDs in series. This makes circuit design simple and saves microcontroller resources. WS2812 is commonly used in LED matrix projects, displays, and lighting effects. Done. Next, we need to connect it into a solid frame. You can do this with hot glue and sticks. I want to use the most readily available materials at minimal cost. You can also 3D print it to get a nicer case for the device. But for now, for the sake of brevity, I use this method. Okay, next we need to make the base for it. You can also use glue and sticks. It's so simple that anyone can do it. About ESP32, this is a powerful and low-cost microcontroller developed by Espressif. It features a dual-core processor, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth, all integrated on a single chip. This makes us 3 ideal for iProjects, smart devices, and wireless communication. It has plenty of GPIO pins, support for sensors, displays, and various communication protocols. ESP32 also supports low-power modes, making it suitable for battery-powered projects. Thanks to its flexibility and strong community support, ESP32 is one of the most popular choices for makers and developers. Next, just connect the LED panel to the ESP32. With WS2812, you only need one pin of ESP32 to control all LEDs. You can use any pin. Here I will use GPIO 16. Don't forget to connect PCC and GND. VCC is usually 5 volts to ensure the lighting power of WS2812. At this point, you can use a little tape to keep the LED from being glare. Next, power it via the USB port. By default, the panel will display the clock screen. To change, you can use your phone. Access the ESP32 address to change the effect. Currently, we have rainbow effects, falling hearts, and icon display. Thanks for watching the video. If you need any help, leave a comment below and I will reply as soon as possible. See you in the next videos.